Hello, this is what we're gonna make today. So they're like spent dandelions or dandelion puffs. So we're gonna be learning about unity. So this is, when I think of unity, I think of things repeating over and over again to create unity in your artwork. For example, the stems are all the same, and then we've got circles inside of the dandelions, the little seeds going around, the puffs are on the outside, and then we also have leaves as well as ladybugs. Okay, so when you continue repeating shapes over and over again, it creates unity in your artwork. So this is what we're going to make. There are some simple, easy steps, and let's get started. So what you're going to need is a pencil and piece of paper. We're going to go in portrait format, and then you're going to just create some circles on your paper. They can be various sizes. I'm using my example to look at them. Once you have your circles created, the next thing you're going to do is create some little seed type things inside of your circles. And I am using colored pencil on my art project. I think that's all I used. I think I used a little bit of white marker for the eyes of the ladybug, and that's about it. All right, so there are the seeds inside. Now I'm gonna make some stems going all the way to the bottom of the page. You know, dandelions, they kind of have curvy stems. And this one I'm going to have going off the page like that. All right, now we're going to want to make these seed type shapes around the outside of our circle in the center. I'm going to do the same thing on all of them. All right, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start creating the little puffs. So it starts off as, I think I'm going to go in between here. It starts off as a line, and then I just kind of make some little wisps, as many as you want. I like to kind of go in a pattern like this. So I'm going in between each of my seeds. There's kind of no right or wrong on this. See, these ones look a little bit short, but that's okay. I can fix it if I need to. I'll see how it looks, and then I can erase if I need to. That's another thing, you might want to draw lighter in case you do need to erase. See how much longer those ones look. Let's see. Now I'm going to add some other ones. So I think I'm just going to leave it the way that it is, and I'm going to add some other ones going out here. So now I'm going from the seed and out. Okay, now that I have this part done, I am going to start working on, I'm going to add a couple more of these floating around in the air. And then I will work on the leaves and the ladybugs. All right, so I have all of my things drawn. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to choose some colors. I made each one sort of a different color, using 2 or 3 colors for each dandelion. So you can do yours whatever colors you would like to do them, but try to use a variety of colors to make it more interesting. Okay, so here is our finished piece. I think it turned out really cute and it has a lot of unity.